So you're going through inspection and you get to the self-inspect screen for the robot controller device and you encounter this. Beside the Wi-Fi access point name, it has a little red exclamation mark symbol telling you that something is wrong. Here's what that means and how to fix it. First thing you need to understand is that the robot controller device, in this case the Rev control hub sitting on the robot itself, is emitting a wireless network, and the name of that network is supposed to conform to some pretty strict requirements. It's supposed to be your team number -RC for robot controller, with an optional -A or -B in the middle if you have multiple devices for the same team. If you're seeing this symbol, it probably means that your robot controller device has a different name, and we need to go in and change it in order to continue with inspection. So here's how we do that. First, we need to exit the self-inspect screen and go all the way back to the main screen of the Driver Station app. Next, we'll go to the menu and select Program and Manage. Once that loads, we'll go to the menu again, and this time select Manage. This has all of the settings for the robot controller device, including Wi-Fi settings and some other things. And the very first one we see is the name of the Wi-Fi network being emitted from the control hub. What we want to do is change this to the valid name. So in my case, I'm going to pretend that I'm team number 99999. So my correct Wi-Fi name will be my team number, which is 5 nines, dash, that's a hyphen character, and then uppercase RC for robot controller. And if I have multiple of these control hubs for my team, I can have a -A or -B in the middle. So it would be 9999-A-RC. Once we have that change, we need to scroll down and tap on the Apply Wi-Fi Settings button. There's a warning that comes up letting us know that we are changing the name of the wireless network that is being emitted from the robot. So this device, the one that we are using to change the settings, it's going to be disconnected. And that's okay, we just need to remember to get it connected again before we can continue. Let's go ahead and hit OK. Indeed, we can see that the robot controller is now disconnected. In order to get it connected again, we need to go all the way out to the main settings. Go to Network and Internet, and Wi-Fi. We'll see our newly named network right here at the top. We can go ahead and select to connect. This is where we need to type in our password. Hopefully you have a password that's better than mine, which is password123. If you don't remember the password for the network, you can connect your robot controller device directly to a computer running the Rev hardware client and reset the password from there. Once we type in the password, we should go ahead and connect to it. Once we see that we're connected, we can head back to the FTC Driver Station app and resume with inspection. If you have any other devices that you connect to the robot controller, like a laptop that you use for programming wirelessly, you'll need to tell it about the new network name as well. But for now, you're ready to continue with inspection.